It's time for Tyler's Tip of the Day.
Hello everyone. Well, today I'm going to be showing you how I do my videos, and I can use my hands while I have a camera on it, and it's kind of shaky sometimes like right now, but this is how I'm doing it, and I think you're going to find this amusing. So I'm going to open up my app on my phone, switch this around, and you can see that I have a baseball cap on. I got my old trusty Red Sox hat on, so I'm supporting my team, and I have a camera, just a rubber band across the top there holding it, and you can see it works very well when you have things in your hand. And so this is how I shoot my videos when I'm doing instructionals on how to use your phone for certain things or whatever it is I've got in my hands. So I just thought I'd show you that. I hope that you like it. And if you enjoy this tip of the day, it's kind of a redneck's stick cam, if you will. It's an easy way to do this without spending a lot of money, but it works well. And I hope you enjoy Tyler's Tip of the Day. If you do, please leave me a thumbs up down there on the like button. And if you subscribe, it'll make me very happy. And, of course, I'll subscribe to you if you happen to have a station here on YouTube. So there you go. Have a good one, everyone.
Tyler's Tip